Hi, welcome to our channel Shaha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn about if-NA functions. We will learn this with different examples so that you can clearly understand how the if-NA function handles NA errors, that is not available errors. So let's begin the tutorial. So if NA is also a logical function and its syntax is equal to if NA value comma value if NA, and it returns a supplied value to handle the not available errors. So here are some examples. We'll understand with these examples. So here we can see some item names, stocks and price. And in our query, we will fetch the stock of these two items. Put here equal to VLOOKUP. Our lookup value will be hard disk, comma, our table array will be this range. Press F4 to fix it, comma, our stock is in the second column, so column index number will be 2, comma, for exact match we need 0, bracket close, enter. So we can see our stock is 25 for hard disk, and if we drag the formula down, we get here not available error. So to fix this error, we will see in this cell. So here again we will put equal to VLOOKUP. Our lookup value will be hard disk, comma, our table array will be this one. Press F4, comma, stock in the second column, so 2 is the column index number, comma, 0 for exact match. And we know that this formula will return error value in case of UPS. So we will put if NA, and then within if NA we put this formula, and if this formula returns any not available error, we will display a blank result. So we give two double quotation, bracket close, enter. So we got here 25, and if I drag here we can see it is blank, and instead of blank I can put here out of stock, so it will show out of stock. And in the same way we can use in HLOOKUP or in any other formulas. So let's try equal to HLOOKUP. Our lookup value will be hard disk, comma, our table array will be this range. Press F4, comma, our row index number will be 2, comma, for exact match 0. Enter. We got 25, and if we drag it down we got not available error value. So here we'll start with if NA formula. Our value will be HLOOKUP. Lookup value will be this cell, comma, table array will be this area or this range. Press F4, comma, our row index number is 2, and for exact match you can put false or 0, bracket close, and our value is complete. Now here put comma, if NA, then we'll display out of stock, double quotation close, bracket close, enter. So in this case this formula returns 25, so we can see 25. But in second case this formula returns error value. You can see, press F9 because you can see it's returning error value. That's why it is returning out of stock. So in this way, with the help of if NA function, we can handle the NA errors. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel so that we can send you regular notifications of our new uploads. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.